Number 77.
Hey, that's my unit. I didn't approve of that. Get out of my unit!
Hey everybody out there, how we doing? I bought 3 units already on this Westlake tour of Life Storage, the last ones that are going to be live. And this unit I paid $2 for. So let's take a look. Yes, $2. And that's all that was in there, ladies and gentlemen, for a $2 locker. So we have this heater right here. Looks like it's never been used. Still got tape on it. Alright. And then we have a food saver, and it appears to be in their brand spanking new, and some Blonde Moment treatment conditioner. Okay. We got this little tiny stand, and this bag. Heat up their foot pillows. And that is our 1 unit. Down. Fits right into the new car here. Heater. Food saver new in the box. Some pillows and that. $2. Let's see what we get next. Now this is a unit I'm most excited about. I only spent $25 for it. Right here, sewing machine. We have some dressers, and look at those 2 old trunks. Antique cabinet right there. And right off the rip, there's a Browns football, Browns stemware, and some vintage toys right here. Right on top. Look at that. Vintage hotel train sets. So who knows what's in those totes, but you're gonna have to watch later to see. And man, look, we got a little Christmas here. I have to look at that right now. Oh yeah, a whole bunch of Christmas. We'll have to put that right in. Our Christmas auction. Oh yeah, nice. All right, we'll be back. Alright everybody, I'm here at another locker that I just bought, M11 right here, and now I'm up to 4 today, so I already got the one emptied out. So let's see what this one. I was on the fence about buying this unit, and I started bidding on it, but once again you see there's a cedar chest right there, there's a bunch of dressers in here, and then up there, that's the main reason I bought. There's a chainsaw. It's definitely heavy. Oh, right there. Hobart welder. I didn't even pay attention to that. Wire feed welder. Perfect for the tool auction. And so this old little nursery scale. Some glass over here. So right here some tools. And this suitcase. Ooh, it's heavy. So right there, airway, big old suitcase, heavy. So you don't know what you're gonna find in this. It looks like a hodgepodge, household tools, furniture, a little bit of everything. So we got a welder, chainsaw up there, and toolboxes, some more tools down here. So spent $70 plus a buyer's premium, so $77. And it'll be interesting to search through all this stuff. So first right here, got the 12-volt Hitachi. Then we got right here 12-volt, 12-volt, boom, boom, boom. So that's some money. Looks like there's something in this drawer already. Definitely stuff in the drawers. So there's some nice drill bits right there. And this drill bit right here. So no rhyme or reason. So we'll have to come back, take a look through stuff, grab some of the stuff for the tool auction. But But I think I'm gonna grab the chainsaw and the wire feeder now. Let's open this drawer, just take a quick peek at one of these. Oh yeah, there's some stuff in there. Oh, look at that. Every drawer looks like it's got some stuff in there. Except for the bottom one. Alright, first things first. We're going to try to get this chainsaw out. See if there's anything in there. We'll get this welder out. We know that's good. It's going to be heavy. So I'm going to load up a few of these things and then we'll check the chainsaw. Alright, I got the chainsaw down. What kind of chainsaw it is? Oh, nice. Looks like it's in really nice shape there. 42cc pull on. That looks real nice. Real nice little chainsaw. So, like I said, once again, spent $77 for the locker. I got a pull-in chainsaw right there. Oh, I got this nice Hobart welder right here. Handler 140. Very cool. Like I said right here, tools. Oh, and then this toolbox. Nice. Let's see what's in the stack house. Loaded, rusty tools, unfortunately. Looks like some water got in there, condensation. Would have been nice. Maybe I'll leave it open to air out. And this is it. So who knows? There's going to be some treasures, I think, still in here to be found. I already found some cool things. And who knows? Let's go right up here real quick because I got to get to the next auction. Ultra steel. See if it's in there. Feels like there's definitely some. Now, whether it's complete or not, that's a whole nother story. Not complete, but still some sockets. Sellable. Alright, I gotta load this stuff up and get to the next auction. We'll see what else is in here another time.
Oh my God.
Hey, Jose.
Hey guys, look at over right for the part. How much? Start along. You might get $200 one material, but you get two. The motorcycle fender and all in there, guys. Look at that. $200 one material, but you get two. Give $100. $100. 50. 75. 50 bid here and 75. I'm gonna get 75. The whole box may be in there. 75, 50 bid and 75. 75, but you get 550 bid and 75. I'm gonna get 75. $50 here and 75. Look it over, guys. 75 and $100. $100. 75, but you get 100. Yes, 100 and a quarter. 100 and a quarter. 150. 150. 150. 150. 150. Yes, 140 bid, what do you want? 50? 150, anybody? 150 down, 140 bid, what do you want? 50? 150, yes. Got 140, 150 all done. 150, yes. 150, got 140 bid, what do you want? 50? 150 down, what do you want? 50, what do you get? 50, what do you get? 50, what do you want? 50. Got 140 bid, what do you want? 50 all done, what do you want? 50, what do you think, Frank? 150? 150? 150 down, 140, what do you want? 50 all done. 140, 150. Yes, no? 150, anybody? Sold it, 100 and a quarter, it's gone for 100 and a quarter. And that is number 77.
Hey, that's my unit. I didn't approve of that.
We had next.
Get out of my unit!
Oh, you bought that?
Yeah. I was probably one of the first ones. Ooh.
You didn't see nothing yet.
I know.
He sees totes. Are you cold?
$50, we get $25 on it. You might get 25. 25, everybody get 5, but you can't go in. 25.
Fell in there, man.
25.
Storage legends.
25, but you get 25, but you get $10 on it. $10. Nice clothes in there. 10, yes, 20. 10 here, but you get 20 down. Got $10 here, but you get 20 all down. $10 here, but you get 20 down. 20 bucks. 10 here, but you get 20, yes, 20. 10 here, but you get 20 down. $20, one of them 10, babe, but you get 20 down, but you get 20. What are you thinking here, but you get 20? 10, 20, yes. You say yes to 20. $20. 10 here, but you get 20 down, but you get 20. 20. 10 here, but you get 20 down. 20, 30. $30. 20 here, but you get 30. $30 bucks. 30, yes. 20, but you get 30 down. Get $20. Everybody get 30 out. I'm gonna get $30.
What do you think, Rob from Second Sense?
You could buy some stuff.
30 down. I'm gonna get 20. Everybody get 30. What do you
Storage
guys think? What
Legends,
do you
I'm
get?
not
30?
sure.
Yes,
no, I
no.
don't think
Sold
so.
it. $20. You got it for. 50 bid and 75. I'm gonna get 75. 75. Anybody want? I'm gonna get 75. Yes. 75. You want? I'm gonna get 75. 50 bid and 75. Y'all done? 75. You
Take a
want?
look.
75. 50 bid and 75. Y'all done?
One,
Take a
two,
look.
three. A bunch of boxes. You're not buying this?
Sold it. $50 is gone for 50.
Dave's buying it?
No, sir.
I know Dave's
Not
buying
me.
it.
$3 a minute for videotaping.
The car doesn't come with paper.
$100. $100. What do you want? Give 150. They get $50 on it.
Go ahead, Dave. This looks like one of your units.
Got furniture.
$50. I'm gonna get $50. I'm gonna get $50.
Yes.
I'm gonna get $50.
Yes.
I'm gonna get $50. I'm gonna get $50. I'm gonna get $50. I'm gonna get
What do you
50.
mean? That's your
You might get
size
$50
TV,
on a nice
Dave.
unit, guys. Would get 50. $50. Everybody get 50. Everybody get 50.
Look at
Everybody
that
get 50. Everybody get
chest. That chest is pretty
25.
tight.
Might get $25 on it.
$5.
25. Everybody get 5. Everybody get 25. You might get $25 on it. 25. Everybody get 5. Everybody get 25. Everybody get 5. Everybody get 25. Everybody get 5. Everybody get 25. You might get $25 on it. Nobody want it? Would get 25. 25 getting used. Everybody get 25. Everybody get 10, Dave. 10. 15. 10. Everybody get 20 down. I got 10. Everybody get 20 down. $10. Everybody get 20 out. Everybody got 10. Everybody get 20 down. Everybody get 20. 10. Everybody get 20 down. $20. Yes. Everybody get 20. 10. Everybody get 20 down. 10. Everybody get 20 down. Everybody get 20. Yes. No. Sold it. $10. You got it. $10.
That's right here, guys.
Need your name, man.
Oh, look at Dave too rusty. Dave too rusty. Let's see the muscles, Dave. Steward's muscles, Dave.
Door was off the track earlier.
Looks like we might have to.
What is that?
There it is,
I know
guys.
exactly what those are.
Skyline?
Ready to put it part on
Big
us?
displays, things.
Oh, we gotta see the other side.
Start them along. You
Like
might
if you
give how
do
much
trade
on it. You
shows
might
and
give
stuff.
$200. $200. One to do. Everybody get two. A lot of good desks and stuff in here. File cabinets. $200. $200. One to do. Everybody get two. Everybody get two. Everybody get two. You might give $100.
They're for like pop-up
$100.
displays for trade shows.
$100. You want to open the other side? $100. Everybody get 100. Everybody get 50.
Let's see the
You
other
say yeah,
side.
$100?
$50.
Let's see the other side.
50.
Refrigerator, Robert.
$50. Everybody get 50. Let's go over here.
I don't know. So we gotta go over to the other side and see what else is in this unit. It looks like a commercial unit, not interested in, but we'll check it out. No? Not better on this side?
$50. Everybody get 50. Everybody get 50. Everybody get 50. Everybody get $50 on. You might get 50. Might start on all in here. Get 50. $50. Everybody get 50. 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 $50. Everybody get 50. 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 Everybody get 25. 25. Everybody get 50. 25. Everybody get 50 down. Got 25. Everybody get 50 down. Everybody get 50. 25. Everybody get 50 down.
She's got the umbrella rack on the bottom.
Everybody get 50 down. $50 when I'm 25.
Plastic
Everybody get
carts worth
50
more.
down. Better unit, guys.
Metal
Everybody get
tables are
$50 on it. 25. Everybody get 50 down. $50 when I'm 25. Everybody
excuse
get
me.
50 down. Everybody get 50. What do you think? Yes? 50? 50? 50? 25. Everybody get 50 down. 25. Everybody get 50 out. Everybody get 25. Everybody get 50 down. Everybody get 50. Yes? 25 and 50 all done. $50 on it. 50? Sold it. $25. You got it. $25.
If you want to lock it with your lock this side.
Okay.
I'll go back and show you. It went for only $25. Looks like a commercial. So we'll take a look over here.
I mean, these are just, like you said, these are displays.
Yeah.
They're heavy. There's 5 of them.
I guarantee they're pop-up display.
Health Point Technology.
So if you go to a trade show, those are pop-up like display things for a trade show when they have their booths, you know.
They're trade show banners and things. Like you put a display up, they're all for healthcare. So, but there's 5 of them in there.
That's nice. That's a good buy.
It's
Whoever
like-
got that.
come on, man.
Yeah, it's a good
You
one.
guys want to see it? You guys bought this shit by the unit.
I mean, that would take up like 3 loads, man. I mean, the work I'm putting in, how far I am. If it was around the block, 100% I would have bought it. It's not around the block, so my professional input, it's no interest of mine. plus I still have a whole box truck I haven't even unloaded
Oh
yet.
my gosh.
No mystery in that
No
unit.
mystery.
No mystery.
See everything that
I'm not
that was
gonna-
there. I like boxes. I
I'm
like
with
to
you.
dig. I like to get in
I'm
there
not
and
for
go.
mystery. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not for mystery.
He
If
does
there's a
good on
profit,
that.
I'm buying it.
All right.
I'm not about just mystery. I just want to record it and just make my money.
That's
But,
beautiful.
I like shiny.
but yeah, you know, she's
I
like,
understand. Boxes are fun too. It's like Christmas
know,
morning always.
yeah, I mean, the same
Every
reason
box.
for you, Rob. Like, you know, you know.
I like the
we
mystery.
see those come a dime a dozen. You know, if we
Office units are easy.
if we were in a caravan and we got 5 units already, we're already gonna be there. Why not?
Right.
But you know, it's just.
I already bought 4 today. I gotta
Yeah.
empty those out.
I can't wait to see what's there, man. You guys better tune in to see what's in Rob's
don't
4
forget.
units.
Don't forget Storage Legends. That's right. YouTube it. Check it out. He just bought a big old $1,900 locker in Detroit, Michigan. So he went out of state to buy some treasure. So check it out.
Nice.
And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.
Hit the bell.
The bell.
Hey everybody, how we doing today? And I bought a bunch of units today so far, 4 units at Life Storage at 2 different locations. So spent a grand total of $102. Yeah, $102. So I will show you those receipts here. And those are the 4 receipts. So 25 for the one locker, 70 for another, 2 for one, and 5 for the other, plus the buyer premium. So that's what I bought all those units for. And I'm gonna go move those out today. Hopefully got some great stuff in there. So I will start going through the lockers and posting videos. So hopefully we find some awesome stuff.